Let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our odd USD. So if you are yet to subscribe, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do it to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram will be in the comment section. So let's see what we are going to be expecting for the day on our odd USD. So first thing first, we need to know the trend. That is the what you would want to ask yourself. What is the trend? And as you can see on our odd USD, we are in an uptrend move. You know, we did this analysis, right? We did this weekly analysis, right? If you've not watched it, you can go back to watch it. And our prediction was that odd USD will give us a bullish move. And this is exactly what odd USD gave us. It gave us the bullish move that we predicted it to give us. So on Monday, market was able to open and close bullish. Today, which is on Tuesday, market also opened and closed bullish. Now on Wednesday, we should be expecting similar bullish move. Why are we going to be expecting that bullish move? Is that when you zoom it out on your daily time frame, you can clearly see that this is our first impulsive move, which is our high. Then we add this pullback, which is also known as our higher low. Market was able to push up again and form a new higher high, and then here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Market was able to push up again, and guess what? It formed a new higher high, which took out this previous high, and here comes the higher low. Now that we've got to this higher low, right? Sorry, an equal higher low, because it came to our previous higher low level, forming an equal higher low, which is now seen as a support level. Now we should be expecting market to push up again to form a new higher high. So this is one of the reasons why I said this Wednesday also we should be expecting odd USD to give us a bullish move. Now let's go down to the 4 hour time frame. So we are seeing markets rallying up, right? Little by little, little by little, right? So we should expect market to still push up further till it is able to take out this high, thereby forming a complete new higher high. So this is one of the reasons why I said a bullish move is what we should be anticipating for next on our odd USD. If there will be any changes to this movement that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on any updates, click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel.